Hey, what's up guys? My name is Brent, aka B-Bagel Flows, and this is a double tutorial for the double vertical cross weave. Prerequisite for this trick is obviously the single 2-beat weave, vertical 2-beat weave with one hand, and you're doing this trick at the same time with both hands, and you're crossing them over each other, like so. This is a trick that requires you to be comfortable with vertical figure 8 weaves with both hands. So make sure to drill those as much as you can before starting this one. But once you know both of those and can do the vertical cross beat weave with both hands individually, you want to incorporate both of them at the same time. The tricky part about this trick is you don't want the stars to collide when you're swiping them across from each other. And your arms are moving in a motion like so, where your dominant is going over your non-dominant and it's alternating above and below like this. The key to not getting the stars to slap each other in the middle of this trick is to move your palms into a horizontal plane while they're swiping across from each other. This will make the stars act on the horizontal plane just for a split second so they can get right by each other, and then you resume the vertical 2-beat weave. This is an example from the front. Here's an example from the side. And so, to demonstrate what my hands look like without Flowstars while doing this, you have your hands like this, bring them across horizontally like so, switch them back to vertical, do the 2-beat, weave them back across horizontally, and you're moving your hands above and below each other, kind of like this. To demonstrate what that looks like from this angle, get your hands vertical plane, swoop them across in the horizontal plane, switch back to the vertical plane, and repeat the process. Like so. This is the double vertical 2-beat cross weave. Let me know if you have any questions about this, or if you have any other requests for tutorials down below in the comments. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.